PLTW stands for Project Lead the Way. It's a partnership with the Medina County Career Center, and it all happens here. The reason that these rooms are so large is that the district wanted to make sure there was enough room for learning and storage. Plus, the rooms have outdoor access for outdoor learning activities. The district wanted to make sure that the walls near the cafeteria were made of glass so students could see what was going on to spark their interest for sixth graders.
Project Lead the Way can appeal to any of the students that we have in our building. It's for kids who love a more dynamic class atmosphere where we're just doing a lot of projects, performance-based learning. Any student who likes that hands-on, authentic experience, this is going to be the class for them. This class would not have been possible to continue on with the spaces that we had at the other buildings. So having this wide open atmosphere for our students to complete their projects is exactly what we needed.